I'm Monica, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that's dear to my heart, my mom's empanadas, with the help of Kroger and their products. Empanadas are like little stuffed pastries of dough that you fry. I looked up that the word empanadilla comes from the word empanar, which is to like bread, to wrap in bread, which I really identify with because I feel best when I'm also wrapped in bread. So these are very good for people who like carbs. All empanadas are different from different parts of the world and even from family to family, so this recipe is very specific to my mom. Even her sisters make their empanadas differently. So this recipe is a more original. Ana is my sweet, sweet, sweet mother. She is an immigrant from the Dominican Republic, came here in the 80s with her sisters and her mom, and has been here ever since. My mom would tell you that she is not a good cook, which is just not true. She is an amazing chef. She makes all the traditional Dominican food. I would say that cooking has definitely brought us together. For any school function or any kind of potluck, we would all get together and make her empanadas because they were always such a hit, and it'd kind of be like a little like conveyor belt. Like my mom makes the filling, and then my brother is forced to press them shut with the fork, whether he wants to or not, and then I would fry them. Whenever you can, I would encourage you to try food that is outside of your culture, because it's going to really open your eyes to how other people in the world operate and how foods from different places might not be something you would have thought of, but they are so good. Yup, that's it. Sabe a mi casa. Tastes like home.